Hello students, from today again we will continue with the further lectures of integration. This is one of the type of integration. Integrate the following functions with respect to x. Now question number 1, integration of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x dx. Now in this type of questions we will put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Now shifting tan to this side, we will get x by 2 is equal to tan inverse of t. Now differentiating with respect to t. So this 1 by 2 as it is, derivative of x with respect to t, that is dx by dt. And derivative of tan inverse of t is 1 upon 1 plus t square. So we can write dx is equal to 2 upon 1 plus t square dt. Now we know the formula of sin x in terms of tan. Sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now if we are writing the formula of sin 2x, then we will write 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. But since here only sin x we require, so we need to write 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, half angle. So as we know that tan x by 2 is nothing but t, so this formula we can write in terms of t. So sin x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Now this value of sin x in terms of t we will substitute in the original question. So we will get integration of 1 upon 3 plus 2 into value of sin x, that is 2t upon 1 plus t square. And here the value of dx, that is 2 upon 1 plus t square dt. Now we will simplify this, 2 2s are 4, so here we will get 4t and remaining terms will be as it is. Now if we cross multiply here, then we will get 3 into 1 plus t square plus 4t upon 1 plus t square in the denominator. So 1 plus t square gets cancelled. So integration of 1 upon 3 plus 3t square plus 4t into 2 dt. Now this 2 we can write here. So here we need to convert this in terms of perfect square. So if we take 3 common, then we will get t square plus 4 upon 3t plus 1 dt. Now as we require the perfect square, for that we add and subtract 4 by 9 from this term. So 2 by 3 as it is outside, and as we add and subtract 4 by 9, if we consider the first 3 terms, then this is nothing but the expansion of t plus 2 by 3 the whole square. And by simplifying these last 2 terms, we will get plus 5 by 9. So this plus 5 by 9 we can write as root 5 upon 3 the whole square. Now if we observe this integration carefully, then this is in terms of 1 upon x square plus a square. And we know the formula of integration of 1 upon x square plus a square. Formula is 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a. So applying that formula, we will get 1 upon root 5 upon 3 tan inverse of t plus 2 by 3 upon root 5 upon 3. Now as this 3 gets cancelled, here we will get 2 upon root 5 into tan inverse of, cross multiplying and cancelling the 3 which is present in the denominator, we will get 3t plus 2 upon root 5. Now as the original question is given in terms of x, so we will resubstitute the value of t as tan x by 2. So last answer will be 2 upon root 5 tan inverse of 3 tan x by 2 plus 2 upon root 5 plus c. Now question number 2, integration of 1 upon 4 minus 5 cos x dx. Now here also we will put tan x by 2 is equal to t. So x by 2 is equal to tan inverse of t, differentiating with respect to t, 1 by 2 as it is, derivative of x will be 1 into dx by dt is equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square. Shifting 2 and dt to right hand side, we will get dx is equal to 2 upon 1 plus t square dt. Now since here we require the formula of cos x, so as cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Here we require only cos x. So formula in terms of half angle we can write as 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now replacing this term of tan x by 2 by the variable t, we will get cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now substituting this value of cos x in original question, we will get integration of 1 upon 4 minus 5 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square into 2 upon 1 plus t square dt. Now here we will do the cross multiplication. So 4 into 1 plus t square minus 5 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square into 2 upon 1 plus t square dt. Now this denominator term 1 plus t square will get cancelled, and when we will open the bracket, then the term will be 4 plus 4t square minus 5 plus 5t square. This minus will become plus into 2 dt. Now simplifying this, we will get 9t square minus 1 into 2 dt. Now taking 9 common, the bracket term will be t square minus 1 upon 9 into 2 dt. Now this 2 by 9 we will write outside the integration sign, and we need to integrate the term 1 upon t square minus 1 upon 3 the whole square, as 1 upon 3 the whole square is 1 upon 9. Now if we observe this carefully, then this is in terms of 1 upon x square minus a square. So by using the formula that 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a. So 2 by 9 as it is into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 log mod t minus 1 upon 3 upon t plus 1 upon 3 plus c. Now this 2 will get cancelled, 3 3s are 9. So here we will get 1 upon 3 log mod, cross multiplying the terms and cancelling the 3 which is present in the denominator, 3t minus 1 upon 3t plus 1 plus c. Now resubstituting the value of t as tan x by 2, we will get the final answer as 1 upon 3 log mod 3 tan x by 2 minus 1 upon 3 tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. Now question number 3, where both the terms are present, sin as well as cos. So integration of 1 upon 2 plus cos x minus sin x dx. Now put tan x by 2 is equal to t, x by 2 is equal to tan inverse of t, same as the previous, differentiating with respect to t, 1 by 2 dx upon dt is equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square. So dx is equal to 2 upon 1 plus t square dt. Now we know both the formulas, sin and cos. So we will write the formulas in terms of t. Sin x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now substituting the values of both sin as well as cos in the original question, integration will be 1 upon 2 plus value of cos x 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square minus value of sin x 2t upon 1 plus t square into value of dx, that is 2 upon 1 plus t square into dt. Now here we will cross multiply the term, that is 2 into 1 plus t square. Remaining two terms will be as it is, and now common denominator for the entire term, that is 1 plus t square. But this 1 plus t square will get cancelled with this, and we will open the bracket. So 2 plus 2t square plus 1 minus t square minus 2t, this will be our denominator, into 2 dt. Now simplifying this, we get t square minus 2t plus 3. These two as it is,